Are you confused about whether your school needs a strategic plan or an action plan? Do you know how to differentiate between long-term strategies and short-term actions in your school's planning process? Ever wondered why some schools thrive while others stagnate despite having plans in place? Is your school's growth stalling because of a lack of clarity between strategic and action plans? Want to ensure that your school's vision and goals are effectively executed through a clear planning structure? Welcome to latest trends in education. I'm Dr. Laura, and today, we're tackling a crucial question: what is the difference between a strategic plan and an action plan for a school? We'll break down the key distinctions, show you how they work together, and help you understand why having both is essential for school success. Let's clear up the confusion and get started. A strategic plan and an action plan are both essential tools for school management, but they serve different purposes and operate at different levels of detail. Here's a breakdown of their differences. Strategic plan. A strategic plan is a high-level document that outlines the school's long-term goals, typically over a period of 3 to 5 years. It sets the direction for the school's overall development and growth, focusing on broad objectives such as improving student achievement, enhancing staff development, and expanding community engagement. It includes the school's mission and vision statements, core values, and key strategic goals. It answers the what and why questions, defining where the school wants to be in the future and why these goals are important. Action plan. An action plan is more detailed and focuses on the specific steps needed to achieve the goals set out in the strategic plan. It operates on a shorter time frame, usually within 1 year, and provides a clear roadmap for implementing the strategic plan. It answers the how, who, and when questions, outlining the exact actions to be taken, who is responsible for them, and the timelines for completion. 2. Content. Strategic plan. The main elements that constitute it are strategic goals, high-level objectives that guide the school's development over several years, mission and vision, defines the school's purpose and long-term aspirations, core values, the fundamental beliefs that guide the school's decision-making, key performance indicators, KPIs, metrics to measure progress towards strategic goals. Action plan. The main elements that constitute it are specific tasks, concrete, actionable steps that need to be taken to achieve the strategic goals, responsibilities, assignment of roles and responsibilities for each task, timelines, clear deadlines and milestones for completing each task, resources, detailed resource allocation, including budget, personnel, and materials needed, performance indicators, specific measures to track the completion and effectiveness of each task. Timeframe. Strategic plan, long-term, typically covers a period of 3 to 5 years, with periodic reviews and adjustments as needed. Future-oriented, focuses on where the school aims to be in the long term. Action plan, short term, usually covers a period of 1 year or less, aligned with the school's annual objectives. Immediate execution, focuses on the immediate steps needed to implement the strategic plan. 4. The purpose. Strategic plan, guidance and direction, provides a broad vision and direction for the school's future. It helps in aligning the school's resources and efforts toward long-term objectives. Decision-making framework, serves as a guide for making decisions that align with the school's mission and vision. Action plan, implementation, translates the strategic plan into specific actions that can be executed in the short term. Operational focus, ensures that the strategic goals are being pursued through concrete, day-to-day activities and initiatives. Summary. Strategic plan, a long-term, high-level framework that defines the school's vision, mission, and strategic goals over several years. Action plan, a short-term, detailed guide that outlines the specific steps, timelines, responsibilities, and resources needed to achieve the goals set out in the strategic plan. Both plans are interconnected, with the strategic plan providing the overarching direction and the action plan ensuring that the school's day-to-day operations are aligned with that direction. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you now have a better grasp of how strategic plans provide the overall vision and direction, while action plans focus on the specific steps needed to achieve that vision. Remember, one without the other is like a map without a path. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to latest trends in education, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future insights and strategies.